Silipin ko si Kano nagluluto. Ayun. No oil yan. Tapos, ayun na yung naluto. Sinipag si Kano. Bagong ano pa yan, opera. Oh. Did you cook all, honey? It's too much. Lulutuin niya lahat tapos wala namang kakain.
Go ahead and cook this so it doesn't spoil. I don't know how old this meat is. It's okay right now.
Black pepper, garlic powder. Yun lang yun. Can I taste this one?
Yeah.
It's onion?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's a pork.
No.
Onion pala yun na sinunog. Okay.
How's it taste?
Check natin mamaya. Ayun, yung result ng gawa niya. Oh. Ang sarap. Kakain ako. Wow. Parang nasa bundok tong kano na to eh. Oh. Hindi kumuha ng plato eh. Wow, sarap. Kakain ako. Giant watermelon.